If you're building a home theater, the projector is only half of the equation. The screen you use can have a major impact on how clean, immersive, and professional the entire setup feels. This frame-mounted screen projection ultra-narrow edge home wall projector is designed to give your viewing space a more permanent and polished appearance. The first thing that stands out is the frame-mounted design. Unlike portable screens that need to be unfolded and stored after use, this screen is designed to remain on the wall. Once installed, it becomes a permanent part of the room, giving you a dedicated viewing area that's always ready. The ultra-narrow edge adds to the modern appearance. With a slim border surrounding the projection area, there's less visual distraction around the image. The result is a cleaner look that can make the screen feel more integrated into a contemporary living space or dedicated theater room. This setup can work for several different uses. Movie fans can create a dedicated cinema environment. Gamers can enjoy a much larger viewing area, and families can turn a regular room into a more immersive entertainment space. It can also be useful for presentations where a large, dedicated projection surface is important. One of the biggest benefits of a fixed screen is convenience. There's no need to repeatedly assemble the screen before watching a movie or playing a game. After installation, the projection area stays ready to use, while the room remains organized and uncluttered. Installation does require some planning. Before choosing the screen, measure your wall carefully and consider your viewing distance. You should also make sure the screen dimensions and format are compatible with your projector. Room lighting is another important factor because excessive ambient light can influence the overall viewing experience. The fixed frame gives the screen a finished appearance, while the narrow border keeps the design minimal. Instead of projecting onto a regular wall, you have a dedicated surface designed specifically for your projector. For movies, the large projection area can make scenes feel more engaging. For gaming, the bigger image can create a more immersive environment. For presentations, the dedicated surface can make visual content easier to display across a room. What makes this type of screen interesting is how it brings the entire setup together. A great home theater isn't just about having a powerful projector. It's also about creating a space that looks organized, feels comfortable, and delivers an immersive viewing experience. If you're planning a modern home cinema, gaming room, or large screen entertainment setup, this frame-mounted screen projection ultra-narrow edge home wall projector is worth considering. Before installing it, check the screen dimensions, projector compatibility, mounting requirements, viewing distance, and lighting conditions in your room. If you want to check out this projection screen, visit the link provided in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about your ideal home theater setup. The projector creates the image, but the right screen can help complete the experience.